Welcome to Princess Roma's Adventures! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get on with this awesome adventure, make sure to click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today guys, we are going to make an awesome experiment called water blowing balloon. So how we're going to do this is we're going to get our water of 45 milliliters and 2 milliliters of baking soda and citric acid. If you don't have these ingredients at home, you can follow along and maybe you can watch this video again when you get the ingredients that you need to make this explosion or awesome experiment. So what you want to do is you're going to get your baking soda, and since you might not have 2 milliliters, I'm just going to get a 2 milliliters, 2.5 milliliters, and I'm not going to fill it up all the way. So I'm just going to fill it up a teeny bit. So, be very careful with this. It should be, because when you have a point, it's very small. I think that's good enough. Do you think so? Yeah, I think it is. So we're going to actually put this into our balloon, but since it might be a little hard, I'm going to use one of our funnels. So I'm going to put this down so we can take them apart, because it's going to be hard to do everything together. So we're going to take these up. I think I'm going to use this one because it's small enough for it. So we're going to do this, and we're going to put it. Okay, so we got it all filled in. You want to make sure you put it somewhere where it won't spill everywhere, because that would be very bad, because you don't want it to spill anywhere. I'm going to do that, go like that. Then we're going to do 2 milliliters of citric acid. So we're going to do the same thing we did with the baking soda, and we are going to put in some of a citric acid in here, just like we did with the baking soda. Looks like there's another peel. Why do they always put peels on stuff? Well, I guess it's because they have to keep it secure and they don't want it spilling anywhere. They actually put all of these like little containers full of stuff. They all look the same. That's why they have little things. Oh, this one's clear actually. Looks like I added a little bit too much, but I feel like that will be perfect. So it looks like I'm gonna read to see what you put, if you put it in where you put it. So it says you're supposed to put it into, it says that you're supposed to put it inside of, when you make this experiment, you want to make sure you put it inside of, it says to put it into the funnel, to the balloon. So it says to put the citric acid into okay, so it says to put it into here. So I'm gonna put it in here to make it nice and put that in there. I'm gonna take it out because we have to put the balloon in it. I'm gonna shake it up. Make sure to close it so you don't spill it everywhere, because you gotta shake it up a little bit. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Then you're supposed to put the balloon. So you're gonna get your balloon and you're gonna put it over your water, and you have an awesome explosion thing, I guess. You're supposed to, it says. I'm kind of scared. I don't know how you're supposed to you're supposed to stretch it. This is filled with water, so I don't want to spill this everywhere. So guys, I'm gonna give them back to you when I get this balloon on top of this, because I feel like it's gonna spill everywhere. So guys, we finally got it onto the little test tube. So now guys, we're gonna watch the balloon slowly rise up when we put the balloon up. Let's go. Oh my gosh, guys, look, guys, it's going, guys. Oh my gosh, holy cow. Guys, look at this. It's blowing up! It's blowing up! Look at this, guys. Can you see it? It's literally blowing up everywhere. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm gonna wait for this to calm down. I'm holding it down so it doesn't blow everywhere. It looks like the concoction inside made bubbles form, so that means the air from the bubbles filled up the balloon with air so it would magically just come up. Oh my gosh, the balloon's getting wet. It's getting wet. Oh my gosh, guys. That was like probably the coolest experiment I've done in my life. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this awesome experiment we did. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and hit that bell.